Today we are going to discuss May-June 2019. It's P2 402421. Okay, calculator is not allowed. This is P2. Our first question is, in 2017, Lauren had a monthly income of 1800. How much was her total income in 2017? So, total income of 2017. 1 month income is 1800. So, in 1 year there are 12 months. So, 12 into 1800. 12 into 1800, which will be equal to 21600. You can use calculator for that. Okay, for her monthly in B part, from her monthly income of 1800, Lauren paid the following: rent, bills, food, travel and clothes. Each month Lauren saved the rest of the income. What percentage of 1800 did she save? Okay, first we have to add them, how much their total expenses. So total expenses would be 500 plus 250 plus 120 plus 240 plus 70, which will be equal to, total expenses will be equal to 1180. 1180. Okay, we have to find the saved income. How much saved income? So total saving will be equal to total minus expenses. So total are 1800 and expenses are 1180. So this will be equal to 620. We have to find the percentage of saving. Saving is 620 over always old price or total price, which is 1800. So we have to find percentage. 620 over 1800 into 100%. These two zeros will be cancelled with these two zeros. 620 divided by 18 will be equal to 34.44%. Okay. Then in B second part, Lauren monthly rent was increased by 3.6%. Calculate the new monthly rent. His monthly rent was $500. His monthly rent was $500. So we have to increase 3.6. When we have to increase the number, it's mean the result will be equal to original number plus percentage of original number in case of increase. Okay, so this is original O. Original number is 500 plus percentage is 3%, 3 over 100 into original is 500. This will be cancelled. 3 into 5, this is 3.6. okay, 2 0 will be cancelled with 2 zeros. 3.6 into 5 will be equal to 18. 500 plus 18 will be equal to 518. Okay, so his total rent, new rent will be $518. In 2017, Lauren's monthly income was 1800, was 25% less than her monthly income in 2016. So calculate her monthly income in 2016. We don't know that income of 2016. So income of 2016 will be equal to X. Okay. If we 25% less than in 2017, 1800 was his income, but it is 25% less than 2016. So 2016 is X. We will decrease 2016 by 25%. I already told you when we have to add them or increase them, we will original plus percentage of original, but in decrease we will minus them. So original is X minus how many percent? 25% of original. When we decrease a number which is his income in 2016, we will decrease the monthly income by 25%. This will become 1800. Okay. For one here we will take LCM. LCM is 100. We will multiply with denominator numerator by 100 here and 100 here. This will become 100x minus 1 into 1. This will multiply with 1. This will become 25x is equal to 1800. 100 minus 25x is equal to 75x over 100. We will cross multiply over 1, cross multiply. So this will become 75x is equal to 1800 times 100. So x is equal to divided by 75 on both sides. So here is 1800 into 100 divided by 75, which will be equal to 2400. So in 2016 his income was $2,400. Okay, now question 2. 10 boys ran in a 100-meter race and 200-meter race. The table below shows their times in seconds, time in 100 meter, time in 200 meter. So 4 values have been given and plotted for us. Complete the scatter diagram. First 5 points have been plotted for you. Okay, 5 points has been plotted for you. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 points are plotted for me. The rest are plotted by me. We have 14.7. We can look at the graph that 11 to 12 has 10 smaller boxes. It means one smaller box will be equal to 0.1. X-axis 0.1, smaller box. Small box. Okay. So and we have 5 smaller boxes in y-axis. So 5 smaller boxes represent 1. It means one box will represent 0.2. 5 into 0.2 will become 1. Okay. You can also find by 1 divided by 5 to 5. This will be equal to 0.2. This is equal to y boxes. Okay. So 14.7, 1 and 2, 14.7, and this is equal to 32.5. 32.5, I have plotted point here. This is your scatter point, not this. Okay. Excuse for me for that point. Okay. This is your point. Then 13.7, 29 point, plot them all the points which are given to us. Okay. I have plotted them. Then we have to find first point, 5 points have been plotted for you, rest are plotted by me. Then we have to find what type of correlation is existing. Okay. What type of correlation? Correlation is positive. Correlation is positive. Look at the question. Okay. When time for 100 meter is increasing in this way, the time for 200 meter is also increasing. Line is going upward. This is going toward right and going toward upward. So this is positive correlation because one is increasing, then other is also increasing. So this is positive correlation. This is positive correlation. Okay. Now we have to draw a line of best fit. I have drawn for you. Line of best fit is the line which cover at most almost all the points on maximum points. You can say maximum points. A number of points and upward and downward will also be equal. Like this 1 and 2 is here, 1, 2 and here. These are approximately close to this line of best fit. These are approximately close to this line of best fit. So this can be a line of your line of best fit. Okay. That cover 1, 2, 3, 4 points. No other line can cover 4 points. Okay. We have to draw a line of best fit. We have drawn that in D point another boy recorded time 27.5 second in 200 meter race. 200 meter race 27.5. We have to find 27.5 will be equal to one box represents 0.2, so 1 2 and half. 1 2 and half. We will also 22.7 will 1 2 and half. This will be 27.5. We will place the ruler here, 1 box, 2 box and 0.5. This will cut approximately here. We will place the value toward downward because we have to find the value from 100 meter race. We have to find 100 meter. Use the graph to estimate the time it would take him to run 100 meter. This will be equal to 1 2 and 3. This is approximately 13.3 13.4 you can write, but it is 13.3. okay, so 13.3 is second from 100 meter race. This is your second question. Then this is your third question. We have PBQ and RACS are parallel lines. PBQ, RACS are parallel line. BAE and BCD are similar line, are straight line. AB and AC are equal. QBC is 58, QBC is 58 and AED is 47. Calculate BAC. We have to find BAC. We have to find BAC. Give reason for each step in your working. Okay. So these two are parallel lines. Okay. This is 58. This will be 58 because interior exterior. Okay. So this is straight line. So 180 minus 58. Okay. So this will become 180 minus 58 is equal to DCA, which will be equal to 122. This will become 122. Okay. Then this is 58. Will also be 58. Okay, because opposite angles are. So you can say BCA excuse me, is equal to DCS because opposite angles. ठीक है, this is opposite. Okay. Then you can also say that DCS and QBC are interior exterior. That's why they are same. Okay, we have now this has 120 and this is 58. Okay, now AC and AB are same. AC and AB are same. So angle will be same. So angle BCA will be equal to CBA because these are given. So equal because base angle are equal, or you can write that this is isosceles triangle. Okay. Now CB, we have to find BAC. So BAC will be equal to BA C, this is BAC, this is 58, this is also 58 because these two sides are equal. So BAC plus this 58 plus this 58 is equal to 180 because sum of interior angle of a triangle is 180. We have to find BAC. This will we will add them and subtract, then this will become 64. Okay, this is 64. This is 64. So if this is 64, then this is straight line. This will become 116 due to 180 degree. Okay, calculate CD. Now we have to find CD and E. We have to find this angle. So if we consider AEDC is a quadrilateral, always equal to 360. Sum of quadrilateral is always equal to 4-sided is equal to 360. So now we will find, add them, 116 plus 112, second angle, and third angle is 47, and fourth angle we have to find, which is CDA. We have to find CD is equal to 360. Add them and subtract them. This will become, final answer of CDA will be equal to, okay, add them. This will be 285 plus CDA equal 360. We will subtract 285 on other side. So CDA will be equal to 360 minus 285. This will be equal to 75 degree, which is your final answer. Okay, this was A part, and now this is B part. We have the shaded region M and a regular pentagon. This side are this pentagon, and shaded region N shown a regular octagon. This is octagon side. Okay, this is pentagon, this is octagon. We have to find X. We have to find X. For this we have to find sum of each interior angle of pentagon and each interior angle of octagon. Now we have B part. We have to find shaded region. Shaded region is given, we have to find X. We have to find the interior angle of pentagon and then interior angle of octagon. So pentagon interior angle sum is pentagon interior angle sum is interior angle, each interior angle. You can write each interior angle, excuse me for that. Formula is n minus 2 into 180 over n. Okay, we can divide it in two parts because we have to find pentagon and octagon, each interior angle. Formula for pentagon and octagon always be same. We will change the side. So pentagon has 5 sides. So 5 minus 2 into 180 over 5. This will give me answer 5 minus 2, 3 into 180 over 5. This will become 108. So formula for octagon is n minus 2 into 180 over n, each for octagon. Okay, n minus 2, n is 8. 8 minus 2 into 180 over 8. So this will become, we will divide them and this will become 135. So this is 135. Okay, and this is pentagon, this is equal to 108. We have x. We know the angle of a circle is equal to 360. Angle of a circle is equal to 360. So if we are finding x, find x. X plus 108 plus 135 is equal to 360. So add them and subtract from 360. This will give me answer 117. 117. Clear? This was your B part. Now we are on question 4. In question 4 we have 6y over 35 divided by 10y square over 7. Okay, 6y over 35. We can change the sign of division into multiplication. When we change the sign division into multiplication, we will flip the point. So 7 over 10y square. Okay, this can be cancelled. This can be cancelled. 7 ones are 7 5s are. So this is y1, this is y square. Y square will be cancelled, only single y. You can say minus 1. Okay, now we have 6 into 1, 6. We have 5 into 10, 50, and single y, 2 minus 1, y, 1. So we don't need to write y 1. 6 over 50, you can further simplify it by 2. 2 3s are, 2 25s are. So final answer is 3 over 25 y. Now for second part, 4a second part, k square minus 16 over k square minus 2k minus 8. Okay, k square minus 16, we can write 16 as a power of 4, k square minus 4 square. Okay, and this is quadratic equation, ax square plus bx minus c is equal to 0 but not equal to 0. This can be factorized. So this is quadratic equation. 8 into 1 is 8. We have to find two factors which can multiply, give answer minus 8 and add minus 2. So factor will be minus k minus 4 plus 2. So we will place here k square minus 4k plus 2k minus 8. Okay, this is third identity, which is equal to a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So this will become k plus 4 into k minus 4 over, we can take common in pairs, we can take k in common between them. So k minus 4. So where we will take 2 common, this will become k minus 4. If these two factors are same, it's mean your factors are right one. Then we can take again common. So k plus 4 into k minus 4 over k minus 4 again common, and here is k plus 2 remainder, k plus 2. So k minus 4 and k minus 4 will be cancelled. These will be cancelled. So final answer will be k plus 4 over k plus 2. Okay, now we have B part. Okay, we have B part now. 3 into x minus 4 plus 5 is equal to 7. We have to solve this. We will multiply 3 into x will become 3x. 3 into minus 4 is equal to minus 12 plus 5 is equal to 7. So 3x minus 12 plus 5 equal to minus 7 is equal to 7. Minus 7 will flip on other side. This will become 7 plus 7. X equal to 14. 3x is equal to 14. So 3 is multiplying, will divide on other side. X is equal to 14 by 3. You can write it in mixed fraction, which will be equal to 4 wholes 2 over 3. 4 whole 2 over 3, or you can write it in point as well, because calculators are allowed. So 3 4s are 12. This is your remainder. Remainder is 3 is divided 2, so 2 by 3, and question will be on other side. This is your B part of question 4. Then you have C part, 3t square plus 5t minus 4. Show all your working and give your answer correct to 2 decimal places. So for this, what we can do, we can use quadratic formula. What is quadratic formula? X is equal to minus b plus minus whole square, b square minus 4ac whole under root over 2a. Okay, now what is a, what is b, and what is c? For this, a is equal to 3ax square plus bx plus c hota hai. Then a is 3, b is 5, and c is negative 4. Okay, place the value in the formula. So this will become negative 5 plus minus b square 5 square minus 4 into a is 3 and c is negative 4 whole 2a, 2 into a is 3. Okay, now you can calculate the values by calculator. Okay, minus 5 plus minus, this will become 25, 5 square 25, minus into 3, minus 4 into 3 minus 12, minus 12 into minus 4 equal to plus 48 over 6. Okay, then minus 5 plus minus whole under root 48 plus 25 will become 73 whole 6. Then we can minus 5 plus minus 70 under root 73 minus 5 plus minus square root for 73 is 8.54 544 over 6. We can write with one time negative 8.544 over 6 and minus 5 plus 8.544 over 6. Okay, this will give you answer 0.59 and this will give you answer minus 2.26. So your T's final answers are 0.59 and then negative 2.26. This is your C part of question 4. Then we are on question 5 now. Okay, question 5 is ABC is a parallelogram. AD is 6 centimeter, AB is 8 centimeter and BD is 11 centimeter. Use the ruler and compass only. Construct an accurate drawing of ABCD. AD as drawn for you. Okay, this is not according to scale. Okay, this is parallelogram. It's mean AD is 6, so BC will also be 6. AB is 8, then this will also be equal to 8. Okay, now first we have to measure what is the length of this triangle. This is equal to approximately 5.5, which is AD, but in a scale that is given, AD is 6 centimeter. This is 5.5 centimeter.